Keep the profits rolling in with these affiliate tips. Affiliate marketing can employ a lot of different techniques depending upon whom you ask or talk to about it. We all know that it depends on your products and affiliate program, but that doesn't mean that you should neglect your website. Take some time to better your online presence and better your affiliate marketing strategy. To increase the success of your affiliate marketing, make certain that the affiliate program with which you join uses cookie tracking. This will ensure that you will be credited for all the purchases made by people who buy items on their second or subsequent visit to the affiliate company's site. To increase the success of your affiliate marketing, only promote products that are relevant to your market. If you advertise products that your customers will not be interested in, you will fail to make any money. Instead, promote quality products that will appeal to your customers and your profits will increase. To increase the success of your affiliate marketing, provide your visitors with an explanation of the products that you have chosen to advertise. If you tell your visitors the benefits of the items you are promoting, as well as show your support for the items, you can convince your visitors to purchase your affiliate company's products. Even though this is the internet, remember that the customer is always right. You do not want to lose customers because you are being too solid on your stance against someone you feel is incorrect. People talk and that can result in a serious loss in profits for the business. It's true that your website should triumph on its own based on its appearance and your products and services. That said, you can take it further by marketing through affiliates. You can always improve upon your website, and hopefully these tips gave you advice on how to create a good affiliate marketing plan. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google and Yelp ranking system. 2. Finds untapped buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, you will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.